Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Dodge Charger air vents. First, let's identify the problem. Is your vent completely broken or just stuck and not moving freely? Gently try to adjust it to feel for resistance. Understanding the issue helps determine if you need a simple repair or a full replacement. Gather basic tools like a trim removal kit and a small screwdriver. Now, let's carefully remove the vent. Use a plastic trim removal tool to pry around the vent's edges, avoiding scratches. Once the trim is loose, gently pull the vent assembly out. Disconnect any electrical wires attached to the vent. Inspect the internal mechanism for any broken plastic tabs or gears that prevent movement. Look closely for small cracks. For minor issues, a small amount of strong plastic adhesive can fix broken tabs. Apply it sparingly and allow ample drying time. If the damage is more extensive, like multiple broken gears or a shattered frame, replacing the entire vent assembly is the best solution. Ensure all moving parts, like the louvers, operate smoothly before proceeding to reassembly. To reassemble, carefully reconnect any electrical wires you disconnected earlier. Align the vent assembly back into its opening and gently press it into place until it clicks. Reattach the surrounding trim, ensuring it's flush with the dashboard. Finally, test the vent's functionality. Adjust the airflow direction and open/close the louvers to confirm your repair was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.